Resilient Lady sails with a detail that sets the tone for everything else aboard. This is an adults-only ship. That means no kids' clubs, no family pools, and no juggling space with strollers in the buffet line. Virgin Voyages built this vessel for grown-ups who want a cruise without the usual cruise crowd. The ship carries roughly 2,700 to 2,770 passengers depending on the source, with a crew of over 1,100. At 110,000 gross tons spread across 17 decks, Resilient Lady offers the kind of space per guest ratio that lets you breathe. She launched in 2022 according to some records and 2023 according to others, but either way, she is one of the newest ships in the Virgin Voyages fleet alongside her sisters Scarlet Lady, Valiant Lady, and Brilliant Lady. The design leans into modern boutique hotel vibes rather than traditional cruise ship glitz, and the ship splits her time between the Aegean out of Piraeus in Athens and the Caribbean from San Juan. The ship features 1,404 cabins, and Virgin Voyages calls them smart cabins. The design philosophy here ditches the usual cruise ship layout in favor of something that feels more like a well-appointed city apartment. Every cabin category on Resilient Lady reflects this adults-only, boutique approach. The line does not break down traditional inside, ocean view, balcony, and suite tiers in the same way legacy cruise lines do, but the cabins are built around flexibility and modern amenities. Think mood lighting you can control from your phone, convertible spaces that shift from sleeping to lounging, and storage that actually makes sense. The bathrooms use a clever layout that separates the shower from the rest of the space, so one person can shower while another gets ready. It is a small thing that makes a big difference when you are sharing a cabin for a week. The beds are designed to be comfortable without the usual cruise ship mattress lottery, and the linens feel more boutique hotel than mass-market cruise. Virgin Voyages also builds in features like a red hammock that hangs in every cabin, a playful touch that gives you a spot to lounge with a book or a drink without claiming the bed or the couch. The cabins are not massive, but they are thoughtfully designed to make every inch count. Balcony cabins on Resilient Lady take the outdoor space seriously. The balconies themselves are not just afterthoughts tacked onto the side of the ship. They are designed with the same attention as the interior, with seating that invites you to actually use the space rather than just step out for a quick photo. The railings are glass rather than metal bars, so your view stays unobstructed whether you are watching the sun rise over the Aegean or scanning the Caribbean coastline. The cabins themselves open up to the balcony in a way that blurs the line between inside and outside, especially when you slide the door open and let the sea air flow through. The design avoids the usual cruise ship feel of a hotel room with a bolted-on terrace. Instead, it feels integrated, like the balcony was always part of the plan. These cabins work well for couples who want a private outdoor spot without committing to a suite, and the layout gives you enough room to spread out without feeling cramped. The smart cabin features carry over here too, so you get the same mood lighting, the same clever storage, and the same hammock that makes every cabin feel a little more special than the standard cruise ship box. Suites on Resilient Lady step up the space and the amenities without veering into over-the-top luxury that feels disconnected from the rest of the ship. The suites offer more square footage, larger balconies, and upgraded touches that make a difference if you plan to spend real time in your cabin. The design keeps the same modern, boutique aesthetic but adds more breathing room and a few extra perks. The bathrooms in the suites are larger with more counter space and better lighting, and the living areas give you room to entertain or just stretch out after a day in port. The suites also come with priority access to certain venues and experiences, though the exact details depend on the category. What makes the suites work is that they do not feel like a different ship. They are clearly part of the same design language as the rest of Resilient Lady, just with more room to move and a few more thoughtful touches. If you are the type who treats your cabin as a retreat rather than just a place to sleep, the suites deliver without making you feel like you are paying for gold-plated faucets you do not need. Dining on Resilient Lady breaks away from the traditional cruise ship model of one main dining room and a buffet. Virgin Voyages does not charge extra for most restaurants, and there is no assigned seating or fixed dining times. You eat where you want, when you want, with whomever you want. The ship features a collection of what Virgin Voyages calls immersive venues, each with its own identity and menu. The approach is less about checking off a list of restaurants and more about choosing the experience that fits your mood. The food across the ship leans into fresh ingredients and bold flavors, and the menus avoid the bland middle ground that sometimes defines cruise dining. You will find plenty of vegetarian and vegan options, and the kitchens take dietary restrictions seriously. The vibe in the dining spaces is more neighborhood bistro than formal dining room, with service that feels attentive without being stuffy. The ship also features a zero-waste food market, part of Virgin Voyages' broader sustainability push, which means less single-use plastic and more thoughtful sourcing. One of the standout dining concepts on Resilient Lady is the focus on wood-fired and grilled preparations. Imagine the smell of charred vegetables and seared proteins coming off a live fire, the kind of cooking that adds layers of flavor you cannot get from a standard cruise ship galley. The menus rotate based on what is fresh and available, so you might find different preparations from one sailing to the next. The restaurants lean into global influences without trying to be everything to everyone. You will find Mediterranean flavors, Asian-inspired dishes, and American classics, but each venue stays focused on its own identity rather than offering a sprawling menu that loses its way. The plating is thoughtful without being fussy, and portion sizes hit that sweet spot where you leave satisfied but not stuffed. The dining spaces themselves are designed to feel intimate even when the ship is full, with lighting and acoustics that let you have a conversation without shouting over the table next to you. The bars on Resilient Lady are as much a part of the dining experience as the restaurants. Virgin Voyages builds its bar program around craft cocktails and a curated selection of wines and beers, and the bartenders know how to make a proper drink. The bars range from lively spots with music and energy to quieter lounges where you can settle in with a book and a glass of wine. The cocktail menus feature creative takes on classics alongside original creations, and the ingredients are fresh and high quality. You will find bars tucked into different corners of the ship, each with its own personality. Some are designed for late-night dancing and mingling, while others are perfect for a pre-dinner drink or a nightcap under the stars. The service is friendly and knowledgeable, and the bartenders are happy to make recommendations or tweak a drink to your taste. The bar program is included in your fare, which means you can try something new without worrying about the bill piling up. Resilient Lady also features intimate nightlife venues that lean into the adults-only atmosphere. These are not the big, flashy nightclubs you find on some cruise ships. Instead, think smaller spaces with live music, DJ sets, and a crowd that is there to enjoy the vibe rather than just kill time. The entertainment in these spaces feels more curated, with performers and DJs who know how to read a room and keep the energy flowing. The design of the nightlife venues avoids the usual cruise ship tropes of neon lights and cheesy themes. Instead, you get sophisticated lighting, comfortable seating, and sound systems that let you hear the music without your ears ringing the next morning. These spaces come alive late at night, and they attract the kind of crowd that wants to stay up past midnight without feeling like they are at a high school dance. The ship features vibrant entertainment that goes beyond the usual cruise ship review. Virgin Voyages brings in performers and acts that feel more like what you would find in a boutique theater or a trendy nightclub than on a traditional cruise. The shows are designed to surprise and engage, with production values that rival what you would see on land. The entertainment lineup changes from sailing to sailing, so you might catch a live band one night, a cabaret-style performance the next, and a DJ set after that. The venues are designed to put you close to the action, with sightlines that make every seat feel like a good seat. The entertainment on Resilient Lady is not background noise. It is a key part of the experience, and the ship attracts guests who want more than just a piano bar and a magician. Pools and outdoor areas on Resilient Lady are designed with the adults-only ethos in mind. There are no splash pads, no water slides, and no family pools. Instead, the ship offers sun decks and pool areas that cater to grown-ups who want to relax without dodging beach balls. The pools are not massive, but they are well-placed and designed to feel like a retreat rather than a crowded water park. The deck furniture is comfortable, with plenty of loungers and daybeds that invite you to settle in for the afternoon. The ship also features whirlpools that offer a spot to soak with a drink in hand while watching the ocean slide past. The outdoor areas are spread across multiple decks, so you can find a quiet corner even when the ship is full. The design avoids the usual cruise ship layout of one giant pool deck where everyone congregates. Instead, you get smaller, more intimate spaces that feel like hidden gems once you know where to find them. The sun decks on Resilient Lady are not just about tanning and swimming. They are designed as social spaces where you can hang out with friends, meet other guests, or just enjoy the view. The ship features outdoor bars and lounges that spill onto the decks, so you can grab a drink without heading inside. The vibe is more beach club than cruise ship pool deck, with music that sets the tone without overwhelming the space. The deck areas are also designed to catch the best light at different times of day, so you can find sun in the morning and shade in the afternoon without moving too far. The outdoor spaces feel like an extension of the ship's overall design philosophy. Thoughtful, modern, and built around the idea that adults deserve spaces that cater to their tastes rather than trying to please everyone. Onboard activities on Resilient Lady lean into the ship's modern, boutique identity. The ship offers recreational options that go beyond the usual cruise ship bingo and trivia. You will find fitness classes, wellness workshops, and activities that invite you to try something new rather than just kill time between ports. The ship also features sports facilities, though the exact details are not spelled out in the provided information. What is clear is that Virgin Voyages designs activities around engagement and participation rather than passive entertainment. The ship attracts guests who want to stay active, learn something, or challenge themselves, and the activity lineup reflects that. The vibe is more wellness retreat than summer camp, with options that range from high-energy workouts to quiet, meditative practices. The ship also features cultural and educational activities that tie into the destinations on the itinerary. These might include cooking demonstrations, wine tastings, or talks from guest speakers, though the specific lineup changes from sailing to sailing. The idea is to give you a deeper connection to the places you are visiting rather than just treating the ship as a floating hotel. The activities are designed to be optional and flexible, so you can dive in as much or as little as you want. There is no pressure to fill every minute of your day with scheduled events, and the ship gives you plenty of room to just relax and enjoy the journey. The onboard activities on Resilient Lady are part of the overall experience, not the main event, and that balance feels right for the kind of cruise this ship is designed to deliver. Spa and wellness on Resilient Lady are built around the idea that taking care of yourself should be part of the cruise experience, not just an add-on. The ship features advanced wastewater treatment systems and a zero-waste food market as part of its broader sustainability initiatives, which extend into the spa and wellness programs. The spa itself offers a range of treatments, though the specific menu is not detailed in the provided information. What is clear is that the spa is designed to feel like a retreat, with spaces that invite you to slow down and recharge. The fitness facilities on the ship cater to guests who want to maintain their routines while at sea, with equipment and classes that go beyond a few treadmills in a corner. The wellness program on Resilient Lady is not just about spa treatments. It is about creating an environment where you can focus on your health and well-being without feeling like you are missing out on the rest of the cruise. The spa facilities on the ship are designed with the same attention to detail as the rest of Resilient Lady. Think clean lines, natural materials, and lighting that creates a calm, restorative atmosphere. The treatment rooms are private and comfortable, and the therapists are trained to deliver high-quality services that justify the price. The spa also features saunas and steam rooms, spaces where you can relax before or after a treatment. Fitness classes on the ship range from high-intensity workouts to yoga and meditation, giving you options whether you want to break a sweat or just stretch out. The wellness program ties into the ship's overall focus on sustainability and mindful living, with an emphasis on natural products and practices that support your health without harming the environment. Ports of call for Resilient Lady include Piraeus in Athens and San Juan in the Caribbean. The ship splits her time between the Aegean and the Caribbean, offering two very different cruising experiences depending on the season. Sailing out of Piraeus gives you access to the Greek islands, ancient ruins, and the kind of Mediterranean coastline that has been drawing travelers for thousands of years. The Aegean itineraries let you explore ports that range from bustling cities to quiet fishing villages, with opportunities to dive into history, sample local food, and soak up the sun. The Caribbean sailings out of San Juan offer a different flavor, with turquoise waters, white sand beaches, and a mix of cultures that blend Spanish, African, and Caribbean influences. The ship docks in San Juan, which means easy access to old San Juan's cobblestone streets, historic forts, and vibrant food scene. The shore excursions on Resilient Lady are designed to help you make the most of each port, though the specific types of excursions are not detailed in the provided information. What is clear is that Virgin Voyages builds its itineraries around ports that offer genuine experiences rather than just tourist traps. Whether you are exploring ancient temples in Greece or snorkeling in the Caribbean, the ports of call are a key part of the Resilient Lady experience. The ship docks whenever possible, which means you can walk off the ship and start exploring without waiting for a tender. The itineraries are designed to give you enough time in each port to get a real feel for the place, not just a quick photo stop. The ports of call on Resilient Lady are as much a part of the cruise as the ship itself, and the itineraries are built around destinations that deliver. Keeping it real, Resilient Lady is not a traditional cruise ship, and that is both its biggest strength and its biggest limitation. If you are looking for a family cruise with kids' clubs and water slides, this is not your ship. The adults-only policy is a deal-breaker for families, and Virgin Voyages makes no apologies for that. The ship also skips some of the traditional cruise ship amenities like a main dining room with assigned seating or a formal dress code, which will appeal to some guests and disappoint others. The ship is also relatively new, and like any new vessel, there may be kinks to work out as the crew and the ship settle into their routines. Reviews are overwhelmingly positive, but no ship is perfect, and your experience may vary depending on cabin category and itinerary. The ship is designed for a specific type of cruiser, and if that is not you, you will notice. What makes Resilient Lady genuinely different is the adults-only concept combined with the modern design and boutique hotel ambience. Virgin Voyages built this ship for grown-ups who want a cruise that feels more like a stylish getaway than a floating resort. The smart cabins, the immersive dining venues, the vibrant entertainment, and the intimate nightlife all reflect that vision. The ship also stands out for its sustainability initiatives, including the zero-waste food market, advanced wastewater treatment systems, and the ban on single-use plastics. These are not just marketing points. They are part of the ship's DNA and part of what makes Virgin Voyages different from the big cruise lines. The ship is also part of a small fleet, with sister ships Scarlet Lady, Valiant Lady, and Brilliant Lady, all of which share the same design philosophy and approach. The ship is mid-size, which means it is big enough to offer variety but small enough to feel intimate. Resilient Lady delivers a cruise experience that breaks away from the traditional model without feeling gimmicky. The ship is designed for adults who want great food, thoughtful design, and a vibe that feels more like a boutique hotel than a floating mega-resort. The adults-only policy, the modern cabins, the immersive dining, and the focus on sustainability all add up to a ship that feels different from the moment you step aboard. The ports of call in the Aegean and the Caribbean give you access to some of the best cruising destinations in the world, and the ship itself is designed to be as much a part of the experience as the places you visit. If you are tired of the usual cruise ship formula and you want something that feels fresh, modern, and built for grown-ups, Resilient Lady delivers.